Hello everyone, this is Azrin again and today is a stream 4. So today I'm going to try to solve some interesting tasks. Doesn't matter from there, but I just want to do this. So we continue day 4 of training for competitive programming. I don't know why, but I just like this. And mainly we compete for National Azerbaijan gold or bronze and other places. So okay, let's get started. Mainly I opened lots of platforms. There's CSCS, Codeforce, CL, Projectile, Coder, and Hackrank, second Lit Celeste, Vijaj, and Lit Code. So I don't know what I would like about. Let's get started by Codeforces. I like to open CF Tracker for right now and to see some interesting tasks from there. Mainly just let's enter see if let's start it by tasks, mainly problems. So I like to do some 100 yep, so I like to do some implementation tasks, and mainly I like it to be interesting. So um, so I remember I have solved this task, but mainly I don't remember. So let's just do this task. Vasya has found a strange device on the front panel of a device. There are a red button, a blue button, um, and a display showing some positive integer. After clicking the red button, device multiplies the displayed number by 2. After clicking after clicking the blue button, device subtracts 1 from the number on the display. If at some point number stops being positive, the device breaks down. Displays can show arbitrarily large number. Initially, the display shows n. Bob wants to get number n on the display. Okay, the minimum operations mainly from m to m is just minus 1 3 multiplied 2, so I get some idea. Now if you take input, I'm going to explain my solution in a second. So let's do this. um so then I will try this one. It's like this: if we do 2 multiply n, then for the m is going to be m divided 2. What's the time limit? 2 seconds. Oh, the grid algorithm is really bad. For example, 1 to this, it's next to 1, no, 10,000, yeah, like on, and like it's going to be time complex of O m minus n at this situation, and it means, and the maximum one is O 10,000. Yep. And okay, and if we do n minus 1, then for n it's going to be, no, I missed, yeah, oh, n plus 1, no. So okay, oh, the main problem is there that it doesn't say when we could divide to 2. I mean, we need to divide to 2 when it's even, logically. So it means that we need to get the optimal position. Mainly this is grid algorithm, but if we look to the tax, it's something scary. But yeah, this is shortest path, but with grid algorithm, and because we don't need to be scared. I like just to say that let's try to do this. Mainly this is I remember um, this task is about grid algorithm, but mainly, yep, and this task is mainly about locally optimized choice. And locally optimized choice is when for right now, like we have some. I mean, the locally optimized choice is when we choose the best variant for right now. We don't think about future for the global. For the global, we need to start some dynamic programming, but it's really going to be hard. So, and here we could do it by only, yep, we could do it only by grid algorithm because the um, the variants are given in the task, like 2n and n minus 1. But if they would be given an input, we will be needed to do some dynamic programming, but I'm not a fan of this. And because of, I will just try to do this. While m is larger n, if m is not, yep, and mainly the best local optimized choice right there is m divided 2. Like we mainly go to the n for right now, and because of it's the best variant that we could choose. And for this we need to get even number for not getting stuck, and for not getting stuck mainly in odd numbers, we would like to add them n plus 1. For example, if I take 17, this odd number plus 1 is 18, and because we are going to solve this to do this type attitude. So if m is not divisible to 2, then m plus plus, this is yeah, so m plus plus is this operation, and the else position just divided to 2, and it doesn't matter if you write answer plus plus there or there and there. Mainly we could write like this, also we could write like this, and forget about this. But I'm going to sing more professional approach, because mainly after we check this condition is going to the end, and like from there it goes down, and this is the same, and because I'm just going to do answer plus plus, and then it's possible that we don't get guarantee that the m is going to be equal for the n, and because I'm going to do answer is equal to the like answer n minus m or m minus n. Let's do ABS, like it could be greater or less, because of let's don't risk and do n minus n, and see out answer. I also like to do this printf because I don't use it at all, but it's really interesting. Like there we need to add some present symbol, then digit, and then answer. Yeah, this is pretty interesting. And then how to add slash n like this. Yep. Let me check. Yep, this one is gone. Okay, let's treat my hair, and here we go. I'm going to do v input in. It's, let's do 4 and 6. Then compiling our file. Okay, so oh, I need to write LDD. Okay, like long digit. If I don't miss, I hope. Control S. Let's do 1, then 4 and 6. Minus 2. Wait a minute, why? And 1. Yeah, it's pretty good, but mainly what if I do like this? It's just really strange about how it's possible. Oh, let me print answer right there. Answer before. Okay, so I'm sorry. So it's like this. Compiling our file, then running our file. Wait, something is wrong so much. No, it's not. I took input ln, cnn. Why it doesn't read this? main.cpp run and then run 4 and 6. It doesn't print this. I'm not glad. Okay, so what if wait, I press Ctrl S again and I compile my file and then I run it? Holy crap. So let me try this on another type of compiler like this. Then I go to the one compiler, C++. It's pretty strange, like. Are you joking, man? -2. How it's even possible, like. Oh crap. Okay. Understood the mistake. The mistake is there. If n is larger than m. Yeah, it's pretty bad. Okay, g++ main.cpp run. I mean, I was returning and because of I couldn't see this output. Run 4.6 2 and also before 1 really. So okay, so it means okay, I don't care. Let's delete this and it's pretty good. Let's save this and submit. Let's take it from there. Task of task B main and then submit. Yeah, it's accepted. Yeah, I'm glad. Mainly, I remember I was doing this type of task and it's possible that it was this one, but mainly I could do just simple grid algorithm like n is less than m if n is less than m on just multiply 2 or something like this, like just simple simulation. But there's no simulation, there's some tricks of grid algorithm. Let's book this. Yeah, it would be really good to learn because if I solve this task. So this is our first 1400 rated task on this channel and I'm really glad for this. And let's try to solve this task. Like I think so I don't leave that one. Books, yo. completion. Pointer search brute force implementation to pointers. Okay, it could be, but if there's brute force, mm-hmm, 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 I can understand it. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, so I think so I already understood this task. Like there's some good algorithm again. I need to sort it. I think so. When Valera, let me check if there any extra ones. Okay. When Valera has got some free time, he goes to the library to read some books. Today he's got 3 free time minutes to read. That's why Valera took N books in the library, and for each book he estimated the time he is going to need to read. Let's number the book by integers from 1 to n. Valera needs 1 minutes to read the ith book. Valera decided to choose an arbitrary book with book y with number y, and read the book one by one starting from this book. In other words, he will first read book number y, then he either runs out of the free time or finishes reading the nth book. Valera reads each book up to the end that is he doesn't start reading the book if he doesn't have enough free time to finish reading it. Print the maximum number of books Valera can read. So, do we have approach to sort the array? To choose an arbitrary book with number y and read the book one by one, starting from this book. In other words, he will first read book number y. Oh crap! I can understand. Oh, I see. Yeah, this bit was like mainly. I need to find. I have is nt. Okay, example. I could do brute force, but brute force is not good. I need to choose one index and to read until my time doesn't finish. And this white um, index needs to be optimized. Is this good algorithm? Nope. I like to do some test cases. This is really interesting task. Let me just exit from there. I want to open some OneNote for noting. Okay, so okay. So first array was given 4, then 5, then 3, 1, 2, 1, and I have this is n, this is t, and for my 5 minutes I need to read maximum number of books, and this is 1, 2, 1, mainly 3, 4. I get lost 4 minutes because of the maximum answer is 3. Then what's the next number? 3 3 2 2 3 3 3 2 2 3. So I have 3 books, 3 minutes, and holy crap. So do I need to make prefix array? It's pretty strange, but okay. I'm not going to sing about this, but I need the sum of some array. I could do brute force, but brute force is not really good. Yeah, it's 10 in power of 10. That's pretty bad. Okay, but I think that 2 to 3, and then it will be great. But we also could do some lower bound or upper bound. I also think about this. Okay, but we have 3 minutes, and I could read only this book, only this book, only this book. And of course we choose the smallest one, mainly it's 10 because of it's 1, and I hope it is. Okay, let's try some another one. 4, 10, 9, 1, 3, 4. Yeah, this is pretty understandable. Like, I choose this array. This is 3 minutes. Oh, I missed. This is 3 books. Downstairs 3 books and 10 minutes. Yep, like this. And what if we try some sort array? 5, and let's do 6 minutes, and I give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I like to choose this, yeah, because the sum of this one is 6. Yeah, that's what I think. I think so I really need to take prefix array, but I don't know why. And this prefix array is going to be as map, like hash map, and then I will need it to do 2 pointers in this. This is really strange, but okay. How will I solve this task? I talk about prefix array, and let's check this out. 1, 3, 6, 10, and 15. And I like just to try like there's 6, and the sum of these 3 elements is 6. If I find this, mainly I think I will need it to do binary search, because like this linear search is going to be hard. And I would count how many elements I skipped, like how many indexes I skipped. There's 0, 1, 2, and mainly this is third element by 1 indexed, because I print 3. Okay, let's check this out right there. My solution looks like this: 9, 10, oh my goodness, 13, 17. Yeah, that's pretty bad. And right now I think about 2 pointers. Like I woke and I took some minuses, like 17, subtract 10 is 7, yeah, and mainly 7 is less than 10. And I just check how many elements between y and j. Okay, I think it's about this. What about if I checked it right there? For example, I go, yep, y is there, j is there, the max one is 6, 15, like it's 14, and it's really, it's big. For 16, and we go for 6, then we go for 10, yep, like j minus minus, I think so. After we did j minus minus, oh, but I think so we need to start them both there. Yeah, but okay. 10 minus 1 is 9, it's still big, and if you go to the 6, it's already, yeah, we get stuck. And because of, it will be great if you started right there. Like j minus y is, like, I mean, there's 1, it's 0, and because of j is there, 3, then it's 2 is less than 6, then I go right there, and I get yeah, and I get 5, and mainly it's still less, but if I go right there, it's already increasing. Let's remember, like, okay, so firstly I think so we need to make some prefix array. I want to make to-do list. There we are going to do first to make holy crap, to make, why it's so bad, to make, 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 to make to make a prefix array. The second is going to be to count right there, like y and j up. I start, and 6 minus 1. Mainly, I like to do some type of algorithm, like there's 1, there's 6. 6 minus 1 is 5, yeah. And yeah, I'm sorry. And 6 minus 1 is 5. 3 minus 1 is, I mean, there I got 3 numbers because the answer is 3. And the same is right there. I get 3. So y and j is there, and it's 0. And because of I increase j, I get 10. Then it's still less, and I increase mail, I get 13. Yep. It's still less, but no. I think so about if there's 10 up and I need to move on. It's still less. I would do G++. I get 13 minus 9 is 4. I do 17 minus 9 is 8. And still less, yep. It doesn't work on that one. And what if I put them right there? I get 8. The increasing, I get 10, and it's let's think about, yeah, to count number of ways. I mean, when subtracting, like from there. Could also make this type array. Something similar to the dynamic programming. We get this array up. 4 and then 10 and then 9, 1, 3, 4. And right there, I could do like type of dynamic programming array. There is I could read only one book. I could read only 2 books. I could read for their 2 books. I could read for 3 books. And then I just print DPN. Mainly, what's my idea, like for the each white's index, make DPY equal to the max number of books to read for t minutes. Then this is our idea, and second I would like just like some base tests. Base test is just that there's dp0 or something like this. It's going to be 1. dp1 equals to 1 logically, and yeah, also the transition is going to be equal for dpy is equal for something, but I don't know what is this, like as I see there, it's possible that I could take the second element, like 1, because of there's 2, but I couldn't take this the third element. 9 plus 1 plus 3 is 13, and 13 is greater than 10, because of I couldn't take this. And but mainly I could think about sub array 1 and 3, and there I could take it and I could put 2. And at 4, the last sums that I got was about wait, I will need it to write there also. I couldn't delete this. Why? Finally, so dpri is equal right there 1. I could take this, then I could take this and get 2 books, and I could take this 2, I get 3 books. I couldn't take this, and because I get only 1 book, like the previous one is making 7, so I get 1 book, and there's the same position, I get 1 book. Okay, so I don't need to give dpn, I need to give the maximum number. And now I think so about how to try to make transition for a dpy. So the transition for a dpy is going to be like this, I think so. Yeah. As you see, it's very close to this. No, I couldn't find it at all. You almost have it there. Okay. Oops. So there, and okay, 5. Yep. This is the answer. Okay, so for 5 I could take 1 book right there. Now I can take second book. Yep, I can. Yep, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I get some problem. Okay, but for the second one, I could take. I mean, I just could read this book. I get 4, and because of the max is 2, then we go for the next one, and here's the concentration. This is main one. Like, I mean, we couldn't take this because we already get 6 by minutes. Yep, and it's greater than 5, and because of I can think about subtracting this, like 6 minus 3 is 3, and the sum of that one is 3, and I could write there that I took 2 books, this and this, and then I could take the third one. Yep, I could feel the sense, but at the same time I couldn't feel the sense. I also feel, but I don't feel. I mean, we'll be needed to make some. We will be needed to make variable sum is equal to 0, and if I took element, I do like plus AE, but if I don't take this, I subtract the elements that I need to subtract. Mainly, I think it's going to be dpy. I'm sorry, dpy minus 2, like the previous one. Mainly, yeah, the previous one. I think so. It's gonna be dpy. this one. But we don't care. Will be needed when we will debug our program, I think so. Yep. And let's try this program. So okay. Yep. So right there we just we need to make some example, right? For example, it's going to have 5 elements. The time is going to be 7. I'm going to take 1, then 5, then 2, then 4, and then 7. Yup, that's really good one. So, as we took base tests for dynamic programming, we will be needed to give for the first index like only one book. Then I already made the variable sum that's equal to 0. Sum plus 1 is 1, and 1 plus 5 mainly I do plus 5, and now sum equals, then it equals to 6. It's lesson. Yep, I took 2 books. Then yep, and then I take this one, it's 8, and there I get a rejection. 2, and I will need to just subtract not this. No, it's only possible that I will be needed to subtract that one. And I get again 2 books, and I change this to 7. Then I continue from 7. 7 plus 4 is 11, and there I get rejection. If I get rejection, then I just wait. So I'll subtract the previous element. Mainly it's 5. Yeah, if I subtract the 5, I'm going to have 6. And then get 2 books again. And then I couldn't plus 7. Oh, I only get 1 book. Yup. And then I print the maximum, and it's 2. I think so. We need to do like this. Here's my approach. I think so it's going to work, but it's really just like type of grid algorithm. Let's try to implement this. Let's firstly start from inputting. Okay, we took inputting, and then let's make vector dp. I hope it's going to work. dp I want it to be 1 index, and because of let's take n plus 5, fill it by 1. Like the first index is going to be 1, and it's better approach for I also make their little sum equal to 0. Also there I will be needed to have some answer that's equal to the max element. dp begin, dp end. Then I'm going to print this. Let's also do this one index. Like mainly right now I'm going to treat this. I'm located, I need to be located on the second index. I'm located there. Mainly, wait, so if it's equal to 1, no, it's equal to the A0. Yep, it's equal to A0. If let's make it 0 next. dp0 is going to be equal for 1. There. So right there, for the little y. Yep. So if sum plus AE is less than or equal to t, let's also some count variable like no, do dpy equal to the dpy plus dpy minus 1 plus 1, like plus 1 book. Then if t, then yep. At the else position, I'll be needed to find the starting point of this sub array. So like there. Oh, it's pretty big. So 3 1 2 1. The starting of array of sub array is 1, and if there will be like 4 or something like this, I want to subtract this element. But mainly I will be needed to make a new one. Mainly I forgot about that one. Yep. If you go, just try to get out of this. If there will be also 1, and there will be 2. Let's try to do it like this. Then this is 4, and no, like 3, it's 1, then it's 4, and 4 plus 2 is minus 6, and 6 is greater than 5. What do I do? I just make new subarrays that's starting from there. I forgot about the old one. Yep. Okay, at the else position make sum equal to the oh AE. Yeah. Sum make equal to AE and then wait a minute. Okay, and then just make the PE equal for this. Yeah, but I'm not sure at this. Like I think so. I need to give two. Like if I start the new sub array and it starts from there, yep, and also plus one element I get two, yep, and each time is going to be two because I have already took the previous one. So yeah, I think so it's going to be two. And okay, let's implement this. If sum plus ay slash and then t, just do dpy equal to the dpy minus 1 plus 1, then do sum, nope, so it's else position, else position makes sum equal to AE and make the PE equal to the 2. And now the problem right there is that I don't update sum do plus AE. Yeah, I think so, it's pretty good. Yeah, so I hope it's going to work really so much. I want to solve this task. Four. Wait. So it means I get 4 books. Are you joking, man? Like, um, it means that it doesn't work. I'm going to. Is there some array? Are you joking, right? Like, what the hell? Yeah, that's what I need. Oh yeah, v input in so. Yep, it's pretty good. Okay, so let's run the game. There's one book. Then I go for this element, and sum equals to A0, meaning the first element too. I couldn't understand like how it's possible. Nope. Yeah. It's possible because I put there too, but what do I need to do? I will be needed to put like the previous value of. I mean, do I need to put DPE minus 1? Like, I'm really stuck. Like, okay, so two instruments. So, so if I put the previous value like 1 and 1, but what if there's 3 books I already read and I put 3 books again? I couldn't do this. So I'll be needed to put some if and else. Let's compile our file, Control S, done. Yeah, that's true. Let's go. How it's going to work. I was expecting this because the main problem I do, for example, there's some array. Yep, it goes, it goes, it goes. I go, and there's no enough minutes, and I start from there. But it's possible that I could start from there and I could read more books. I don't need to continue where I stopped because of yeah, that's the point. So at else position, I'll be needed to remember this element, like the first of sub array, like this one or this one. That makes the problem. And to subtract this and to give the same value as dpy. So dpy minus 1. So have I opened it? Nope. Okay, so let me just hit it really fast. This is like type of let me copy this and go right there and then submit code. Oops. Yo, it is. let's click it and move on right there. This is type of joke. Mainly. Yeah, I think so. It's going to be way good. Yo, are you joking, man? So let's watch it. Now let's take a look. Mainly the answer is 3, but I output 4. 15. So the best one is going to be. Yeah, we could get there. Also there. One book, 2 books, 3 books. Yeah, like this. Then it's 3 books, 2 books. I think so. There's really so easy solution, like so much easy. 2 pointers mainly. I couldn't find there some 2 pointers. But wait a minute. What if I just do like this? Yep, 1 and 3. Um, I see. Finally, but I'm not sure. Mainly, for example, Y starts there, J starts there, and I count the books that are really valuable to read. Like when J starts there, let's do it right there. Where am I? It's 3, 1, 2, 1. Boom, boom, boom. So wait a minute. Yeah, Y starts there, J starts there. 3 plus 1 is 4 mainly, just like J goes right there. Then I got 4. 4 plus 2 is 6, and I'm done. If it's bigger, I'm going to put Y to the position of J. So it means Y is there. Then I go and now the sum is going to be that right there, like J. Wait a minute. Like sum plus AJ, but if I'm broke, like I mean I'm done, make sum equal to the AE, and yep, that's the same. So okay, so I'm sorry for right now moment. I'll be needed to back soon, so I'll be needed some seconds. Yes, I'm back. I'm so sorry for this moment. So I got some technical problems. Okay, so yeah, let's do this type solution. Okay, so wait. I get LLN T sin N T. Then I do while n is less than t. No, oh, I missed. Vector LLAN to input. Then we need to do this. And j is not equal to n minus 1. Allow sum is equal to a0. Yep. No, let's just sum plus a j is less than what? We're equal to t. Let's do g plus plus and do sum plus a j at the else position if it's bigger. Just do equal to the j and make sum to be equivalent to the aj. Oh wait. Okay, so now it's good, but what about counting? That's pretty strange, so how will I have to count this? So let's take the variable answer. There, to do answer plus plus, yep. Let's make also current like current is equal for 0, answer is equal for 0, 2. If current, like I mean current plus plus, there's going to be stop mainly. Answer is going to be equal for max of answer and current. Then I'm going to print answer. Let's clear this. Let's take it right there and compile my file. Okay, so then let's do this. So it means like answer is like answer just wouldn't be changed at all, like yeah, we get the problem. So let's just try to do this. Let me ask for AI why I get 0 for input.in. Holy crap, I wrote O. Okay, I see you, man. But why? Oh, when I'm already there, like, I just need to stop. Like, why? I just need to make it come there. Okay. I just visualized this at my brain, but I'm not sure still. Two. Yeah, I think so it works. I hope it works. Really, I just want to get accepted. No, like, this is type of job. The first test case is working. I checked this by my. Wait, are you joking, man? Holy crap. So I get two. Yeah, I get runtime error. This is like a sliding window, like, yep. So mainly, I have understood how to solve this, but I like just sliding window on go in C++, of course. Sliding technique is super good. Oh, cool. So max sum fixed window. What the hell? Let me copy this. Then come back right there. Holy crap. So and put there ll and to clean the code. Initialize window sum. Int max result is equal to the window sum. Okay, slide the window. Window sum is close to the array I minus array a. Add new, subtract old. Oh, that's what I need. Pretty cool. But what's k? Like size? Wait. It's the lens. Yup. Okay, so I find the max sum. But I need to find the max count. Okay, so how I like to do this. Maybe first let's clean this code a little bit. I have right there ll and this is size. What's and like what the hell is going on? Like okay. Then I'm going to give ll then ll like in continuous. I mean I'm used to do like this. So, but I need to get max count. So, and how I like to think about this. Just mainly, I think about like max count. I think so. Like max count. To my max sum fixed uh, some fixed window um, that that is going to return the max count of elements. That the sum is less than t. Well, I don't think so. I need this. No, I need so much. Wait a minute, what is this about? It put my algorithm, but what's wrong? Like, oh, I put this at the down. Oh yeah, I made the previous mistake. Now let's check this out. If it works. Yeah, unfortunately. Okay, I'm sorry. It's already going for 1 hour and 15 minutes. For today, I couldn't solve this task, but I think so. For tomorrow, I will try my best to solve this task. And goodbye. See you later.